In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up signing groups in DocuSign. Signing groups let you assign a document to a team instead of a single person, so anyone in that group can open and sign. As soon as one member completes the signature, the requirement is satisfied for the entire group. This is especially helpful for roles like front desk staff, HR reviewers, or regional approvers who share responsibility. First, sign in to DocuSign with an account that has administrator privileges. From the top navigation, open the admin area. This is where you manage users, permissions, and in our case, signing groups. In the admin console, find users and groups and select signing groups. Click Add Signing Group to create a new one. Give your group a clear, descriptive name that reflects the role or function, so senders can recognize it easily when building envelopes or templates. Keep names short and consistent with how your organization labels teams. Next, add members. Choose Assign Users to bring people in from your existing account, or manually add them by name and email if needed. A quick tip: add at least 2 members so there's always coverage when someone is out. When you're done selecting, click Assign to finalize the membership. You can edit this list at any time as teams change. With the group created, here's how to use it in your workflow. When you're creating a template or sending a new envelope, go to the recipient field and type the signing group's name. Select the group from the suggestions and proceed as you normally would with roles, routing order, and fields. From that point on, any member of the group can open the envelope and sign. Once one person signs, DocuSign marks that step complete and automatically moves the envelope to the next recipient in the routing order. A few helpful considerations as you set this up. A signing group can include up to 200 users, which is plenty for most teams. If your process relies on a shared inbox, you can set an alternate notification email, so alerts go to that central address instead of individual member inboxes. And for security, only members of the signing group can view and act on documents sent to that group, which helps keep access tightly controlled. That's it. You've created a signing group, assigned users, and integrated it into your sending process. This simple setup reduces bottlenecks, keeps routing flexible, and ensures documents get signed on time without guesswork about who's available.